Hey guys, my name is Liam. Today I want to play Roblox. Don't press the emergency button. Hard one. Let's start the game.
Bakit ano?
Ooh, she missed.
Sorry po.
Try again. Climb up the obstacle. Climb up the obstacles. One miss up two. I just love a sweeper. Oh my god, I cheat. Oh no, what happened to everybody? It's a bomb. Run. Oh my god. Time's up. Oh, you just explode it. Spleef. No. Spa Lab. Oh, I love. It's a bomb again. Run!
What's the time?
Explode.
Maligo ka dayon kay malakata sa SM ha?
Hmm?
Okay.
Speed run. Oh, I won. I won. I won. I won. Wait. Oma, I won this round. I won this round. Spooking, hiking. No. Hurry up. Oh. Maybe the guys is falling. I won. I won. I won the game.
Very good.
I won the game.
Yes, you won the game.
Spooky hiking. Climb the ladder. Oh no. Last time, 2024. Last time on December 2024, Christmas. But I meet Santa Claus because I'm ready. Stay on the plate. Oh. Oh. Right here. Let's go back. No. What? Fish is healthy. Hmm? Oma? Is fish healthy?
Yes, of course.
Mm-hmm.
Pork is not healthy.
Yes.
You're not eating pork, isn't it?
Donuts are not healthy.
Yes.
Ice cream also is not healthy.
And chocolates.
Broccolis are healthy.
Okay, okay. Oh,
Oma? Junk foods are not good.
Okay, oo. Pagkaon,
The broccolis are good. So can I eat all the broccolis?
Okay, I will buy broccoli, then you will eat, ha? Okay.
Let's know your answer. Is broccoli green or blue?
Of course, green.
Votes broccoli's color green 100%, blue 0%. Oh no, look at their head. Head. That's a big head. Spleef. Again. Oh, he fell. He fell. Ooh. Oh no! I think the spleef is disappearing. I think I told you I'm strong. Get on a plate quick. Oh no, you missed that one. I'm a imposter.
Imposter ka?
Imposter is among us. Let's get on the yellow plate. Look, Oma, I'm among us. Don't get caught. Look, what is this? It's a hen. It's a hen.
Ay,
Look. 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 What is that? That's a hen. That's a hen. Hen. Space. Oh my god! Space. Ow. Jump. Phew. Get the blue ones. Let's go back to the bottom, okay? No space. Hit the middle. Yay, I did it. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. They died from the same time. Oh my god. They died from the same time. 13%.
may mangikuha mo.
It was the accident. It's all my fault.
Nung kuha ibala mo 13% ko lang gani.
Lazy walk. Woohoo! 167. What is this now? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god! 175 coins. No way! Oh my god! He touched a button! The soccer ball is goaling. Hey, I'm supposed to be scored. Ah! Oh no! 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 Woo! Where is it? Oh. Oh no! Crocodiles jumps. Please, please, no evil Santa, please.
No. No.
Santa give presents tonight or 2024 December.
Okay.
Lava sweeper. Oh no. Yes! I win. I want to use the toilet.
Hmm?
Babies can only wear diaper. And myself, I'm going to poop in the toilet.
Yes, because you are adult toddler.
Oma,
Huh?
Oma, babies can only wear diaper. And myself, I need to poop in the toilet.
Okay, okay, sabaw,
Oh
sabaw.
no!
Sabaw.
It's soup, I said. Trampoline. No, no wait. Trampoline.
Yung sabaw, ah.
Phew, I'm safe. I'm safe. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh no! Oh no, Flood. Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? Oh no, there's a bunch of water. Oh no! Easy. Avoid the ice. Right here. Yes. Yes, I need more pencil. I want to avoid. Hurry up, hurry up. Ooh, ooh. I almost pushed. Oh. Get to the middle. Now, what? What? Now, what? Oh my goodness. How did you
Ayaw
make
na sa uma, ah.
them? One, the tower, quick.
What's the time na yan?
179 coins. Hey, these are mine. Oh man, if you pick one, you choose those. If you pick these, so many. Oh no.
Hindi, ganyan sa uma, ah.
I got gravity coil. Oh, I did get it. What? Spooky hiking. Ow! I missed from the spooky hiking. No way! Oh no!
Last. You want some more or no?
No. Oh my god, I didn't won the game. I did won the game. Trampoline. Wee! Wee! Oh, there's this one. Okay. Phew. Safe. I safe. I'm Three, two, one, jump! Oh, Mac, can I have water, please? Can I have water, please? Thank you. I see one more coin here. Oh no, I missed. Climb up the obstacle. No, sorry. Climb up the obstacles. Jump. Yes. I won. I won. I won. I won. Oh no, I did won. Climb up the obstacles. I won. I won. I won. Win is in past tense. Win is in past tense. Won is in past tense. Okay. You should learn English. Jump, jump. Spooky hiking. I won the spooky hiking. I'm angry. Oh, yo, that bacon is bad. Ew, you ugly bacon. Jump. Ew, that ugly bacon. How many bacons did win? Only how many bacons? 1, 2, 3. 3 bacons are winning. No! 3 minus 1 equals 2. Ah! Find a way out. How do I escape the maze? I have an idea. I know the hint. I have an idea. I need to reset myself. Oh, gravity. I won. I won. I won. I found the I found the right way. I found the right way. I found the right way. Yeah. Lava sweeper. Oh no! Shop, buying. Oh no, buying. Okay. Get eaten. Get eaten. I won. Not true. 777. Not underline true. 777. Not underline true. Oh my goodness, it's dangerous. Oh my goodness, look at me with gravity. Whoa, look at me, guys. Wee. Oh, I fell. Wee. Oh, I did it. I won. Wee. Ha ha. Wee. Ha ha. I made win. No. Ha ha. I won. I won. Did I? You jump. Fly house. Let's jump through now. No, no. Oh my goodness! What is this? Look at me! Hey, oh! I did win. Get it? Oh no! Flood. Oh, true. Flood. Oh, no. Oh no, there's a bunch of water in there. Ah! One more ones. 21 minutes. The floor is lava. Go. The floor is lava. Go to the other side. Jump. Look at me. Oh, I won. Don't let me get this time! Haha, I'm getting coins. Wait. We got 300. Yay! Bye.